Flare community. Today we're going to talk about the meteoric rise in rewards at the very start of this particular epoch. That's Epoch 22. So if we jump over to Twitter, we can see here that Gene, who actually does a lot of analysis on the on-chain data for Songbird, we can see that the rewards for this particular epoch started very high. And we can just have a quick look at this, and you will see that there is this sharp decline. Now, in previous epochs, it's the exact same story. You can see this sharp decline at the start, and then it begins to level off and become a little bit more flat, something a little bit more predictable. So the question is, what causes this initial burst in reward rate? And that's what we're going to dig into a little bit today. So if we jump over to Flare Metrics, they have this incredible, a dashboard which gives you an insight to some of the metrics of the Songbird Network. And the most important one that I want to highlight today is this one here, the expired rewards. So for those of you who don't know, every week you can claim rewards from Songbird by participating in the FTSO system. Now, there is actually an expiration date for these rewards, and that is after 14 weeks. Now, you may be wondering what happens to the rewards after this period. Well, they don't get burnt or anything like that. What actually happens is these rewards get appended to the very first day of the epoch, and this is why we have this particular pattern here, where all of these expired rewards are actually distributed during the first day of the new epoch. So this extra boost of around 35% was actually provided by the expired rewards. So this video is not for the sole purpose of telling you why or where these expired rewards come from, but it's also a gentle reminder to actually claim them on a frequent basis. Now, I personally claim them every week, but the longest you should wait is 14 epochs or around 90 days time. This is very important if you want to retain the Songbird that you hold. So something that's really interesting to me is this idea that it is a transfer of value. It's transferring value for those who are not actively participating in the network to those who actively do. If you're claiming each and every week, you have nothing to worry about, and in fact, you could get your share of the people who are not paying attention. So that's it for today, just a really quick video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please feel free to do so, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.